In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a white background here in Canva. Now, by default, your background is always going to be white, but you might have something covering that in your design. Now, if we take a look here, this is actually an image that we can make smaller and bigger. So what I'm going to do is delete this, so that way we can get to the background. Now, if we take a look here, this is actually black. So if we want to change this to white, we simply want to click onto the background, come up to the little color option just there, and then choose white. And now we have a white background. And we have the option to change to whatever color that we like. But just keep that in mind, if there's not an option for you to change the color, that means that there's something in front of that background. In my case, it's this image, so we have to delete that first so we can get to that background color. But that's just how easy it is to make a white background here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.